how to edit TikTok draft videos. So if you want to edit TikTok draft videos, then first of all, you have to open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And now here you will have your draft videos. Simply tap on the draft and then choose your video. Now after choosing your video, if you want to edit, then on the right side you will have a bunch of options. You can simply tap on the edit. And from here you can edit your video. You can simply you will have a bunch of options on the bottom. You can choose the video and then you can speed up your video or you can slow it down. You can speed up your video or you can slow it down. And after doing that, you can simply tap on save, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now you can either crop your video, you can crop your video in whatever shape you would like. And after that, you can also rotate your video, or you can replace your video by the things that you have in your gallery. So that's it. That's how you edit your video. And after editing it, you can go to save, which is on the upper right corner. And that's it. That's how you edit your saved drafts, TikTok draft videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.